Hello. Today I want to show you how I did assignment number 6. Let's start. This is my PHP MyAdmin database. I call it IS6. Table name is rank. This is my tables. Let's start. This is how my main page looks like. Let's start. As you can see, the first the header is an example of my example of constant property and function. Then I created object and calling function. Then this is my example of abstract class, abstract function, final class, overriding, inheritance, heading, as inheritance. Then this is my example of private properties, then my getters and setters, then my final function, overriding. I overrided abstract function the best, and it print me a message: choose our website to know all about the best universities of SNG. And then I created a public function collapse, and it returned me a sentence, and the last function public call would return me message 2. Then I created object, new object of final class. Then I used setter and getter. I can change it, for example. As you can see, it works. Then I write them. I need to echo my function. Then I called getter function. Then let's start from the table. This is my table, which I got a data from the database. As you can see, I created an object. Let's start from require dbase connection, dbase.php. Let's show it. Dbase. In this case, I used object-oriented programming. This class is final, and I used protected property, public property, public function constructor, final function insert, final function select to select data from database to PHP file, and the last one is destructor. I created an object of class database, then I called function select from table rank, then I started my for each state loop, and I started from this td, I started to output it. As you can see, in this case I have static example. I will show it. I also did sorting. Let's start from the nature ranking, research ranking means table rank 1, number 1. In this case, I did select by using standard PHP code. As you can see, I did ordering by desk. I can change it to ask. Let's see in this column, it will change. As you can see, my ID numbers doesn't change. Sorry. As you can see, my ID numbers doesn't change because it's not selecting from database. In this case I used static property and static function. This is how it looks like. Static count. In this class I have static property and static function which echo this property, and I wrote that this variable will start from 1. And the last one, I need to show you how I did another two sorting. Let's show main page. Then let's start from history. As you can see, another. In this case, I did ordering by ask. I can change it. My ID won't change. Okay, and the last one, ordering by education level. Now it was desk. Now I will do it ask. That's all. Thank you. I used all item from assignment, and that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.